This is Orekoya Olusegun, Physics Mathematics Fundamentals on YouTube. Today, we are taking a topic under vector, fundamentals of vector, unit vector, zero vector, and direction cosines of vector. The question is, what is a vector? A vector is defined as a physical quantity that has both magnitude, direction, and sense. What do I mean by that is this. Look at this line AB that I have here. This particular side of the vector, where this arrow is pointing, is called the edge of the vector. Where the vector starts, the initial position A is called the tail of the vector. Now, the length AB from here to this place is called the magnitude. Magnitude also means size of the vector. So the initial point where the vector starts is called the tail. The final point B is called the head of that vector. Now, the movement from A to B is called the sense of the vector. Let me put the sense in this format. That means you are moving along this line from A to B is called the sense of the vector. Now, the angle that the line AB makes with the x-axis, or it may also be the y-axis, is known as the direction of the vector. So if you look at this picture that I've put here, the diagram, we know that the magnitude is this length from A to B. The initial point, the starting point, is called the tail of the vector, the tail. While the terminating point, which is point B, is called the head. And the movement on this line from A to B is called the sense of that vector. So, and the angle the vector makes with the x-axis, it may also be the y-axis, is called the direction of that vector. Now, if I project this line now, this line that I have here, down up to B, is known as a line of action of the vector. So what I have here now, we can put it in a physical form like this. Let's say this is your home. You want to go to school. Where you are starting is the initial position, and it is called the tail of your vector. Now, when you reach the school, it's the terminal point B, and it is called the head of the vector. And the total distance that you move from A to B to your school is called the magnitude AB. So we normally put this to indicate the magnitude of the vector. So now the angle of the line on which you move down to school, the angle that line makes with the x-axis is called the direction of the vector. Thank you for watching this introduction. The next video is going to cover exercises that relate to what we call zero vector, the unit vector, and the direction cosine. This is going to be the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.